UIG is in the industrial gas industry, so our offerings are over-the-fence gases. Secondarily, we work with customers on the ability to manufacture their own products.
I've operated an air separation unit for a pigment company, solar panel company. Steel mills are a big one.
Hospitals, dental services, food services.
Just about anything uses industrial gases. We understand that at the end of the day, just like turning on your faucet and you expect water to come out, when someone turns on their gas valve, they expect to be fed oxygen, nitrogen, argon.
We have looked to do things that are different than the large industrial gas companies.
This is an industry that's dominated by large players that all pretty much compete the same way.
You'll get folks that they have a solution on the shelf and they just apply it to everybody who comes in.
A lot of customers can fall through the cracks and kind of feel left behind by the old way of doing industrial gases.
While I've been here, a lot of different organizations that were much smaller have acquired a lot of other smaller organizations.
And so we saw the opportunity for a smaller company to come in and offer more and different services that they were not able to get from those large groups.
We see ourselves as a partner in supporting their organization, not just a means to support our bottom line.
UIG's ideal customer would be anyone, big or small, that needs any sort of industrial gas.
When we start working with clients, we really start at a very surface level. We're looking at what the customer's needs are and trying to develop a solution that's unique to them and is best fit for their situation.
Our sales team come primarily from the industrial gas industry, as does our engineering team.
We are also a consumer of industrial gases. And that lets us understand the customer side of the industry more so than somebody that is only serving customers.
In the air separation industry, technology is always changing. There's always a better compressor, a better valve, a better way of doing things.
We look at everything we do and try to always and continuously improving our processes and tools and upgrading our existing technology.
We also place a high value on integrity and being authentic. We will be very honest and open with our customers, and we will tell them what the situation is, a little bit whether they like it or not.
We're always interested in particular pain points with their current supply. We had a customer who did not want an over-the-fence arrangement.
And they were looking at this atmospheric technology, but as we dug into it, we found out that their biggest sticking point was they had a lot of trouble getting liquid deliveries, and an atmospheric solution might make sense to them. If we put in a little bit different technology, it would produce some liquid and get them maybe not completely out of liquid, but it certainly addresses their need a lot more.
Trust really starts with that whole listening and understanding theme to really get a feel for what the customer is asking for and not trying to push a solution on them, and really trying to develop those solutions that are going to make them a more successful manufacturer of what they're trying to do.
We're much more willing to do things a different way. We don't take anything for granted. We try to be extremely easy to reach out to, both with our office phones, our personal phones. Our clients have the opportunity to reach us at any time.
The people that are here want to succeed and want to do well, and that translates to clients.
When you run a company that way, where we all have a buy-in, then no matter how that industry changes, we'll always be able to adapt to the new demands. We'll always be able to meet those demands for our customers.
We are a big company with a small company spirit.
So you can pretty much accomplish anything when you're in a team working towards one common goal.
We really feel like we have an impact on the world because you feel like you're providing that key utility that each of those customers needs.
By having a very personal relationship with the client, it's much more than an individual supply contract. It's a passion for helping customers and bettering the world at large.